Hello everybody, welcome to the Martini Lounge. DJ Vic Vapor with you, and we're going to do something new today. I'm just coming outside with the idea to talk a little bit about the new Bitwig sampler and all the Bitwig stuff that's been released with the new beta version. So I don't know exactly when the full version is going to get released, but it's going to be kind of cool to understand what's going on with this sampler. So I've gone over a few of the features. I've got the beta version installed, and
I think this guy's trying to stalk me right now. Have you seen this? He found me. I'm in Canada. I'm like a million miles away from wherever he lives, and he's here right now. Look at this guy. Vic, what's going on,
hey, what's
buddy?
going on? Hey, everybody, check it out. Alex Vaan, Vaan's Bitwig Tutorials.
I think I was supposed to bring you your headphones.
That's the whole idea, was to meet up with you in Toronto here and hang out and get the headphones back, but I'll let you explain what happened there.
Well, I forgot them. There's no. I'll own that completely.
So yeah, you just forgot the headphones. So we've got a future idea on how to finally get those things together. If anybody's wondering why we haven't just mailed them, well, Alex had some issues with the mail.
I did, yeah, it's true. I ran out of packing tape, and then I stopped giving a shit, and then oh yeah, I'm still on that phase.
So anyhow, we're gonna hang out. We're gonna have some fun stuff for you guys to see here real soon. So
check it out. So we're gonna eat Vic's nuts here.
So that's just for tears. They're clean.
Yeah.
So I'll let you talk about the rules while I get my equipment together here.
Flip the blister over and use your thumbnail. Blah blah blah.
I don't know if anybody else has seen this on YouTube, but
it's my first one. I haven't seen this ever.
Surprises.
So.
And we'll try to speak up or freak out loud enough to let you guys hear us, but requires gloves.
So essentially, we just pop the first one.
Yeah.
And then eat it for about 30 seconds.
Yeah, you're supposed to chew for 30 seconds, but realistically, I don't think you can because they fall apart too easily.
Yeah.
So I've got a timer here, and then we wait 1 minute, and then we take the next one and we go through the sequence. But as you can see, if you want to read the names, there are...
the first one's number 1, Ghost Peppers and Carolina Reaper Powder. Sounds pretty ominous for being number 1.
Yeah.
The lightest one.
All right, let me get this out here. And then, like you guys said, I'll put a timer right here. We'll wait a minute between the process.
So is it 1 package each, or is it 1 peanut?
It's the whole thing, yeah. The whole thing.
Okay.
So you do the whole, all the peanuts in every one, not just one, but the whole thing in your hand. And you want to get that glove.
Yeah? I think I'm all right.
I don't know. I'm trusting you.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's the best advice I can give you.
All right.
And just let that be the peanut glove.
Yeah,
because your other hand needs
glove.
to be clean.
This is the nut glove.
The nut glove. That's what he said at the doctor's office.
All right, Vic, it's time to eat your nuts.
Grab your ankles. I got the nut glove on.
Yeah. All right,
there's something wrong with it. All right, so the first one is getting started.
Ghost peppers and whatever else. Reaper.
Don't touch it with a bare hand. That's all I can tell you. All right, and good luck.
Cheers, man.
The whole thing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's why you want that glove.
All right.
There you go. So
right,
everything's
cheers.
out. Everything's good. Here we go, guys. Not bad. I mean, there's heat there, but it's not bad.
That's an instant heat.
So what do you think? I'm going to start the timer here. Start. There it is. So we've got a minute to eat the next one. What do you think? What's your first impression? You think you're going to go all the way down?
Well, that one was instantly hot.
But it's backing down now, right?
But it's, yeah.
So it kind of bumped and then back.
Yeah. I'm wondering if me being hungry is going to be an issue.
Well,
they're actually tasty, though.
I haven't eaten all day, so I had coffee, that's all I had. No, there's good flavor. Yeah,
they actually taste really good. Like, I would buy that.
So there's no milk, water, or anything supposed to be, we're not supposed to do it until the end. We got to wait till the end, so. Got it?
It's something.
I'll grab it.
Okay.
So,
weird.
So, first impression?
Pretty good.
Coming up on a minute. We're going to get into round 2. Let's show them what round 2 is.
Round 2. Scorpion Butch tea peppers and Carolina Reaper powder.
And it says warming up. Stage 2 is warming up.
Yeah.
So you feeling pretty confident?
Feeling good, yeah. Yeah. I don't know if confidence is the word.
Well, at this point, it's usually, when I've seen, it's usually nut 3 that gets people kind of slight euphoric. I don't want to say panic, but a little euphoric, and the sweat kicks in.
Absolutely, yeah.
So,
all right.
Cheers.
Round 2. Cheers.
Round 2.
See, those ones are sweet.
Yeah, not too bad, actually.
Like at the start, which tells me it's going to be hot near the end.
Okay, I'm going to start the timer. We got 1 minute again. You guys know the process now. And no, I didn't spit anything up. I just wiped my mouth off.
That was less hot than the last one.
That's exactly what I was going to say, but I didn't know if I was just thinking that. It actually feels like a step down.
Is it a placebo?
Maybe the first one just kind of masking it.
Yeah. It's the old bait and switch.
Actually, I'm starting to feel it in my throat a little bit now.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
So, and not that I've watched a few, but I've watched a few videos of people doing it. So the next one's usually, I've either seen people tap out at that point, or really, like I said, kind of get a little euphoric.
Interesting.
So we'll see what happens.
That's pretty good.
Even if I get hurt doing this, I'm not going to let him win.
Yeah, I'll be bleeding from my eyes before.
There's a minute, so...
Is it time?
And this guy's at work, so I feel a little bit...
yeah, it's true, yeah.
A little bit guilty.
Yeah, well, no you don't. You don't
sort of. I mean, I'm hanging out with Alex. Come on, guys. We're going to do something stupid, right?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, when we get done with this, our idea was to do a quick Bitwig tutorial together.
Right. Yeah.
It's always
well, we're dying and crying.
Something with Bitwig.
Yeah. The wind here is ridiculous. Look at this gnarly thing, man.
Right, so what? Oh, I didn't read it.
Look at that. Oh, I didn't read it either. Heat and flavor. Carolina Reaper peppers, chocolate butala, and Carolina Reaper powder. They all have Carolina Reaper.
Yeah, the Reaper. So
that's number 3.
Look at this. This thing's huge. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Look at that. Looks like a hamster.
So this is the one. All right. Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Number 3. Oh.
Weird. Yeah, that one's gonna be hot when it sinks in.
I'm gonna start the timer.
Yeah.
I can feel that one. But hey man.
Yeah, that's
we're committed to it now.
Yeah, we're in it.
You doing all right?
I'm all right.
I feel a little bit of like around my lip, a little misty.
A little spitz.
A little spitz. Is that what they call it?
I don't know.
It's one of the terms.
Made it up. Spitz.
So tell us what's going on in Alex's world here while we've got to wait a minute. What's new and exciting that really hasn't been talked about?
Hey guys. Do either of you own the white car that's parked down by the ice cream truck here? No? That's the
Oh. Maybe Nancy does. She's in the white tent right now.
Oh, okay. I will check.
Ask her.
Thank you.
No problem. So I'm moving to Taiwan. August 10th.
So what's that, like a 4 or 5 hour drive?
Yeah. It's a quick walk.
Just a short walk across the lake.
Yeah. 21-hour flight.
Nice.
Well, that's a good one.
Yeah. And we may see some interruptions in the process, but we're always going to be on time. Because, like I said, Alex is at work.
That's true.
So big ups to Alex. Moving to Taiwan.
Yeah.
Well, I'm giving him a memory to take with him.
Yeah,
man.
That's true. That's good, man. Let's get in there.
I might not. Hey, if I stop talking, just enjoy what you're watching. Because my throat's getting pretty warm.
Yeah.
All right, we're committed to it. We're almost there.
Yeah.
All right, so this one says, the pain sets in, number 4.
Oh, it's just starting, is it?
Yeah, apparently. Woo! 7-pot dougla, 7-pot brain strain, and Carolina Reaper powder.
I don't know how are you feeling about this one.
Oh, man.
What do you think?
I'm committed to it.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Feel it in the stomach.
I'm gonna start the timer, and my eyes are watering.
It's literally burning my stomach.
There may be a point in this contest where I walk out of here. Literally, get up and walk out. I'm gonna walk out.
Might be.
I'm fucking walking out of here. I'll probably get arrested for staggering as I do it.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Yeah, my stomach just got a big hit there because all that saliva pushed it down. I'll run to one of the food places and get you a bite when we're done here. Save it. No, you can't fly on an empty stomach. So this guy's going to Taiwan, and I don't know if you guys are aware of it or not, but Bitwig has banned themselves in Taiwan specifically, where you're not allowed to film or talk about or discuss anything Bitwig related.
It's just because I'm going there.
And it's all as a result of Alex's
It's true.
move. So you want to go ahead and send out some stuff to the sport team there at Bitwig and let them know that we're going to need this guy back on camera. Whew.
Wow.
1 minute is up, and
That's hot.
I'm very proud of Alex right now, as well as myself. But I'm fucking on fire, and I hate to say the word F in front of everybody, but I'm hot.
I think I'm done, dude. I gotta work.
One more? The death nut? Let's get it over
I
there.
don't know. Let me think. Oh, there's different stages of spicy.
It's called Death Nut Challenge. We're on the last one. All right, let's just tap out right here. Go. You can do it.
Okay.
You can do it.
Sure. Sure. Do I try?
Yeah. You park my car where you want to get parked.
Sure, yeah.
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 Like, I can't, it can be forever.
Sure, no problem. The underground parking's free today anyway.
Yeah,
So.
that's what they said.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem. And yours is the white car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
You might have to move the seat though.
That's all right. No problem. Sure. I'll just let you know where.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
I think I'm good, man.
You can do it.
My stomach's fucking killing me. My last one.
You already gave it everything.
I know.
I'm gonna do it, man.
Are you? I hope you do. I don't think I will, though. Finding is cheap.
Death Nut. Power to the people.
Give me a fist pump to that. Yeah, I got like a cramp right in there. How are you feeling?
Actually, isn't it bad?
No?
I swear to God, I'm not trying to take you into it. Don't get it, but it's not as hot as the one before.
Really?
Yeah, it's that step down again.
Interesting.
So, timer started. Now I've got to wait 5 minutes
Oh,
before I can drink water. Death Nut Challenge, empty box.
you did it, man. I can't do it.
It's still there.
Can't do it, buddy. Having weird things happening in here.
Don't make me laugh because I don't want that shit in my throat. Gloves off.
Oh. Yeah, that's that
Your
for
hands
me.
clean, dude. Oh,
Yeah. That was serious.
So he's a 4-nut guy. What can you say?
It's true. I can only bust 4 nuts.
Oh, it's, now I got it. Now I got
Having bad things happening in there.
it. Oh, mommy, make it stop.
Yeah, need milk. Need milk ASAP. I gotta park this car though.
Take the camera.
Yeah?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, guys. Death Nut Challenge completed.
Well, for you.
I'm proud of you, man. Hey, maybe you can get this one later for a snack.
Yeah, if I get hungry, yeah, no problem. It does make you high, eh? Makes you feel high.
It's very important. I got like a little jitter. I don't know if
Yeah.
you got that too.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah. I just realized I can't leave all this equipment here.
It's the endorphins. Oh yeah, you can.
Whatever, I don't have to park it now. It's all good.
Oh, yeah, I don't.
He brought a package of the spiciest nuts in the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm dying right now.
You got one with it?
Yeah, I just chugged the whole bottle. Oh, here? Okay, great. Thanks, man. I don't know how Vic's feeling right now, but I'm fucking dying.
We're gonna back up a little bit so we can right back.
Great. Oh, you know, just driving some lady's car that I've never met. Yeah, I can go out that gate. I'll get out. I'll get out. Yeah.
Now we can put you back where you belong.
I'm good to. I can go through here.
Open the gate.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
You live?
Well, he came here for headphones, but instead he just came and gave me stomach pain and agony. But that's all right, man. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure hanging out with you, dude. We'll have to do this again.
Travel safely in Taiwan, man.
Thanks.
All the
man.
best.
Thanks, and maybe we'll see you down that area.
Yeah, that'd be great.
At some point. That'd be
Great,
cool.
yeah.
All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Check out his channel in the link below. Hey, check out my channel in the link below.
Awesome.